Dear students, hope you are all doing well. Here we are discussing class 7 English. Today we are going to discuss the grammar portion associated with lesson 9 J.C. Bose. Adverb. What is adverb? Adverb is a part of speech which qualifies the verb. We can divide adverb into some parts such as adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of manners, etc. First one is adverb of time. Here is the example. Bose's place in history has now been re-evaluated. So now is qualifying the verb. So it's a adverb. And now is associated with time factor. So it's a adverb of time. Okay. 2. Adverb of frequency. Example, Javed often visits his cousins in Kolkata. Okay. Often. The often is qualifying the verb visit. So often is the adverb, and often itself is associated with a time frequency. So it's a adverb of frequency. Clear? Now 3. Adverb of manner. The boy sings well. Well is qualifying the verb sings. Okay. And well itself is associated with the manner of person or manner of something. So it is an adverb of manner. In the same way, adverb of place. He went everywhere. Everywhere is qualifying went. So it's an adverb, and it's an adverb of place because everywhere is associated with place factor. 5. Adverb of cause and effect. He is therefore unhappy. So therefore is qualifying the verb, and therefore is a adverb of cause and effect. 6. Interrogative adverb. When did you come office? When did you come office? So when, it is qualifying the verb did, and it is also asking a question. So it's a interrogative adverb. Okay. I think it is clear to you. Now activity 9. Read the following passage and underline the adverb. So for the passage you have to check your textbook. Okay. I have just found out the adverbs. The adverbs are there, daily, third, better, now, seriously, rudely, attentively, therefore, really, often, why, best, bravely, etc. Activity 10. Now put the underlined adverbs from the above passage in the chart according to their functions. Function indicates the place where the actions happen, places. So there is associated with this function. Function indicates how often something happens. The answer is daily, often, or often. Indicates why the action is performed. Function. The answer is therefore. Functions indicates how or in what manner the action is performed. The answer is better, seriously, rudely, attentively, really, bravely. Okay. The function used to ask a question. The answer is why. So these are the functions and these are the adverbs. Okay. Now come to degree. Now what is degree? So degree is the comparison of adjectives or adverbs. Degree can be divided into 3 parts. Okay. Positive, comparative, and superlative. And these are the forms of the adjective or adverbs. First one, good. It is a positive form. Better, it is the comparative form of good, and the best, it is the superlative form of the good. Okay. In the same way, tall, taller, tallest, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. You can find a lot of this type of forms in your textbook. You have to memorize this one. Okay. You have to memorize these forms very well from your grammar book or something supportive books if you may get. Now examples. 1. No other Indian poet is as good as Tagore. It will be clear from these examples. No other Indian poet is as good as Tagore. Okay. So here good is being compared with none. So this is the positive degree. 2. Tagore is better than any other Indian poet. Now see, here Tagore is being compared with the other Indian poet. Okay, so this is the comparative degree of good, and that's why better is being used here. Clear? Now 3. Tagore is the best Indian poet. So here the best is the superlative form of good, and Tagore is being compared with the all other Indian poets. Okay, so it is the superlative because Tagore is being compared to with the all the Indian poets. That's why the superlative degree of good is being used here. Clear? So good here is better. Here is the best. The is used before the superlative degree because it is the ultimate form of the degree. That's why the is being used just before the superlative form of the degree. Clear? So these are the positive, comparative and superlative degree. Now come to the exercise. Activity 11. Transform the degree of adjective of the following sentences as directed. A. Plants are as sensitive as animals. Change into comparative degree. Answer is animals are not more sensitive than plants. Okay. B. Simla is cooler than Kolkata. Positive degree. The answer is Kolkata is not so cool as Simla. C. Umesh Yadav is the fastest bowler in the Indian cricket team. Comparative degree. Answer. Umesh Yadav is faster than any other bowler in the Indian cricket team. Okay. D. Ishant Sharma is taller than any other Indian cricketer. This one is in comparative degree because here taller is the comparative form of tall, and now you have to change it into superlative degree. So you have to use the tallest form in your sentence. So the answer is Ishant Sharma is the tallest Indian cricketer. Okay, clear? Now the last one. E. Mount Everest is highest mountain in the world. Positive degree. Answer. No. In which degree it is? It is in the superlative degree because the superlative form of high is used here. And now the answer is no other mountain in the world is as high as Mount Everest. So this is the answer. Okay. So today we have discussed the verb portions associated with lesson. The grammar portions associated with the lesson 9. Okay. No more today. Take care and stay healthy.